welcome to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious Cameroon delicacy called Achu, and I'm going to show you step by step how I do it. So if you want to see how I make this Cameroon dish, just keep watching. So I'm going to peel my cocoyams and wash them real good, and then we are going to boil the cocoyams for about an hour or until it is soft. Achu is a very nice, delicious meal consumed in Cameroon, but to make the achu usually is just hard to get the composition, you know. So if you want to see how, I'm going to give you the exact measurement to make your achu soup come out right. So the cocoyams has been boiling for an hour and it's now ready, and I'm going to use this blender. It's the Ninja blender, to use the dough function and kind of use it like I'm mixing a dough. So I'm just going to blend it a little bit more. As you can see, it really blends real good. I love this Ninja, and just keep using the dough function on this Ninja, and you can see it's nice and soft with no lumps or bumps or anything in it. And yeah, and it looks so good, and very, just the texture is good. You don't have to add any water in it. This is the Ninja that you want to buy. You can find it at Walmart. Now we are going to do the traditional method of pounding cocoyams in a mortar and pestle, like you can see. So this is a second method that you can use for those who are hardworking, who have the strength to pound, or those who like pounding the achu. You can go ahead and pound your achu. Just make sure that the cocoyams keeps warm, so you have to put it back in the fire and make sure the cocoyams is nice and warm. You put like 2 to 3 or 4 cocoyams and pound at a time. Pound until the cocoyams is nice and soft and with no bumps. So the secret in keeping this nice and smooth is just to make sure the cocoyam is still very hot before you pound it. So our achu is ready. Our cocoyam is nice and ready, and we have a visitor that came to help me, my little helper. So you can also use this blender that you can see on this picture to blend your cocoyams. My little one came to help me. So your cocoyams is nice and pounded, and now let's get to the soup. So this is the meat that I'm gonna be using, and it's been boiling for about an hour now, and in it we have like kanda, towel, stripe, and that's all I'm using in this meal. So you want to get the meat that is not fattening, like non-fat meat. You can add intestine, cow intestine, or so. I went ahead and separated my broth from my meat. So this is the original achu spices that is not yet grind, and my sister was able to send this to me from Cameroon, but the one I'm using is the one that is already blended, and so you can get that at the store. So you're gonna need limestone, you're gonna need baking soda, you're gonna need an extra crunchy onion, some black pepper, some palm oil. I'll go ahead and warm my palm oil in the microwave, and I warm it every 1 minute until the bottle is nice and warm and expanded. That's how you know your oil is nice and warm. When the bottle is really starts expanding, that's how you know your oil is nice and warm. I'm going to go ahead and add some Maggi cubes in my meat broth, and then add a pinch of salt, and just add the salt and taste to the way you want it. Don't forget to taste the salt, because we don't want the salt to be. I added a little bit more of water because I wanted the broth to be more. So this is the moment. That water that I added is hot water, so you want to keep the broth hot. So you want to go ahead and add about 4 tablespoons of achu mixture, and you can find it at the grocery store. And also add about 4 tablespoons of crunchy onion. Make sure you put an extra crunchy onion, that is very important. And a teaspoon of black pepper, you can find this anywhere, and 2 Maggi crevettes. For the very first method is the kunakeys method. That's why I call it the kunakeys soup. You're gonna need 4 cups of broth, and also 1 cup of palm oil. Put in your blender, and also a teaspoon of baking soda, This is pure baking soda, and you can find it at Giant. This is the Giant brand. This works perfectly, so don't try to get this particular one. You can find it at Giant, and this one works perfectly. So if you use another one, it might not work. So this one works perfectly. You blend, and the magic is out. And you can see this is a very nice texture of achu, as you can see for yourself. So delicious, and the color is so attractive, and you name it, guys. This is really good, and this is really good. This is the second method, and this is our natural traditional method. You're gonna need 4 cups of hot broth, 1 teaspoon of limestone or kanwa, and another 1 cup of hot oil. Make sure your oil is hot. Keep your broth hot, and you blend. And this was my very own formula, and I'm so proud of myself to let you guys know that I had to experience it all on my own, and it came out so nice and lovely and so delicious. And I'm so happy I was able to teach myself how to make this delicious meal. So this is the 2 methods that I made, as you can see for yourself. One is the limestone and one is the baking soda, and they taste the same, guys. The one with the baking soda is a little thicker, that's just. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my meat into the total of the achu soup. I just put them all together because either way I make the kanwa, using kanwa or baking soda, it doesn't matter to me. It always tastes the same. Now I'm going to make my achu and on the plate and try to open it so that I can put in my soup in the middle. Our soup is nice and ready, guys, and it looks so delicious. The color is amazing. The texture is just right. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section. Let me enjoy my delicious the food is just so good, guys. Please don't forget to share with everyone. Go and spread the word, guys. This is the easiest method you can make your achu soup, so don't forget to share with everyone. I have my little buddy coming to see me, my little baby. She wants to try the achu. Let's see. Yum. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Delicious. So good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and until next time, guys, leave a comment down below. If you happen to use this recipe and it works out, please leave a comment down below for me, and let me know which other recipes you like me to make. Thank you.